Magandang araw mga bata! Ako si Ma'am Regine, ang teacher mo sa math. Sa video na ito ay ating bibigyang kasagutan ang katanungan ng ating mga grade 7 na mga mag-aaral. Paano ko nga bang sasagutan ang mga learning tasks sa module? Ito ang ating module for quarter 2 ng Mathematics grade 7. This is an SLM or self-learning module. What is a self-learning module? It is designed to provide information, activities, and new learning that the learners need to work on. As a learner, it will help you attain the prescribed grade-level knowledge, skills, attitude, and values at your own pace outside the normal classroom setting. Ano ang kaibahan ng ating module for quarter 2 mula doon sa module natin for quarter 1? Ang module na ito for quarter 2 ay naglalaman ng pivot assessment card for learners na matatagpuan sa page 38 na naglalaman ng personal assessment on learners' level of performance. Ito ang pivot assessment card for learners. Meron itong mga instructions at ito yung mga i-input natin na symbols dito sa mga patlang sa LP or level of performance. Discuss natin isa-isa. This is the distribution of learning tasks per week for quarter 2. Mula sa week 1, sa ilalim nito meron tayong learning task 1 to 8. LP ay yung level of performance. Ito yung mga blanks na lalagyan mo ng sagot mo na symbol. Mula week 1 hanggang week 8. Ang module for quarter 2 ng mathematics ay naglalaman ng lessons for week 1 hanggang week 8. Pero unlike other subjects, meron lamang itong learning tasks hanggang learning task 3. Kaya naman hindi natin sasagutan yung learning tasks 4 to 8. Ang lalagyan lamang natin ng symbol for level of performance ay mula sa learning task 1 to 3 for week 1 to week 8. At sa mathematics, magkasama iyong lesson for week 1 and 2 dahil mahaba iyong topic for measurement. Kaya iyong mga ilalagay mo rito na symbols ay ganun din ang ilalagay mo rito sa week 2. Iba-iba naman yung lessons natin for week 3 hanggang week 8. Ano-ano nga ba ang ilalagay natin na symbol dito sa LP or level of performance? Star. I was able to do or perform the task without any difficulty. The task helped me in understanding the target, content, or lesson. Ilalagay natin dito ang star sa mga patlang na ito kung na-perform natin ng maayos yung mga learning tasks na hindi nahihirapan gaano. Aside from star, we also have the check mark. I was able to do or perform the task. It was quite challenging but it still helped me in understanding the target, content, or lesson. Kung hindi star ang ating ilalagay, pwedeng check mark. It means na nagawa mo rin iyong performance task, itong mga learning task na nandito sa ating module. However, nahirapan kang sagutan ito. At kung hindi naman star symbol or check mark, pwedeng ang ilagay mo ay question mark. I was not able to do or perform the task. It was extremely difficult. I need additional enrichment activities to be able to do or perform this task. Kung hindi natin ilalagay ang star or check mark dito sa mga patlang sa level of performance, pwede naman na check mark ang ilagay natin. It means na hindi na-perform yung task kasi sobrang nahihirapan ng bata. Isa pang feature ng module natin for second quarter na wala sa quarter 1 ng mathematics ay, ang quarter 2 ay merong answer key. Ito ay makikita natin sa page 39. Dahil ito ay self-learning module, it is expected that the learners will be learning from the module. Babasahin nila yung content, and then sasagutan nila yung mga performance task. After nilang magsagot ay sila din yung mag-a-assess sa sarili nila. Sila yung mag-check ng kanilang sagot, kaya merong sagot sa likod. At dahil may answer key ang module na ito for second quarter ng mathematics, ito ay nagtatanong ng how and why. So instead of just giving out the answers, you will be asked how. Paano mo nakuha yung sagot? How did you arrive with the answer? How? Show your solution. Why? Bakit ito ang sagot? Explain in 1 to 2 sentences. Kaya para sa mga videos natin kung paanong sasagutan ng learning tasks, ilalagay natin kung paanong sinasagutan ang how. We will be showing the solutions and why. Explaining the answer. those questions that do not require solution, ang gagawin natin ay i-explain natin ang sagot. This video focuses on the week 4 of the 4A Cube MELC-based grade 7 mathematics module for quarter 2 lesson 4. Meron tayong video na ginawa patungkol rito, addition and subtraction of polynomials. Week 4 ng ating module for quarter 2 ng mathematics ay tungkol sa addition and subtraction of polynomials. Meron tayong tatlong learning tasks na napapaloob dito. Learning task 1 ay nasa D part or discussion. Ito ay matatagpuan sa page 19. Learning task 2 naman ay nasa E part or evaluation sa page 21. At ang learning task 3 ay nasa A part or assessment sa page 21 rin. Tako naman tayo sa learning task 3. Ito ang ating makikita, word problem. Solve the following. Number 1. A box is 2x minus 3 by x plus 5 by 3x plus 1. What is the volume of the box if x is equal to 3 centimeters? Una natin gagawin dito ay, we have to substitute yung value ng x by 3 centimeter. So, yung 2x minus 3 ay magiging 2 multiply to 3 centimeter. Yung sagot natin dito, babawasan mo ng 3. Yung x plus 5 ay magiging 3 centimeter plus 5. So, 3 plus 5 lang ito. At yung 3x plus 1 ay magiging 3 times 3 centimeter. Yung sagot mo sa 3 times 3 cm ay dadagdagan mo ng 1. After mo ma-evaluate yung mga expressions na ito, meron ka ng value para sa kanilang tatlo. Kukunin mo na ngayon yung volume ng box. Second step is to find the volume of the box. Ito ang formula niya. Volume is equal to length times width times height. Kaya yung mga values nitong tatlong expression na ito, i-multiply mo lang silang tatlo. And then attach the unit of measurement, which is cubic centimeter. Dahil 3 centimeter yung iyong minultiply, ito yung magiging unit ng sagot mo dito. Yun ang sagot for number 1. Number 2, the formula for the area of a triangle is A is equal to BH over 2. If the base is 10 centimeters and the height is 6 centimeter, what is the area of the triangle? Ito naman sa number 2, area naman ng triangle, ito yung kanyang formula. Ang gagawin natin ay isa-substitute lamang natin yung B and H. Si B, yung base ay papalitan natin ng 10 at si H naman, yung height ay papalitan ng 6. And then perform the operation. Multiply muna natin together itong 10 by 6, tsaka natin i-divide kay 2. Pag may sagot ka na, attach the unit of measurement, which is square centimeter. 2 lang yung exponent dito sa area dahil 2 beses lang naman natin minultiply yung centimeter. Sa 1 kasi 3. Kaya 3 yung exponent. Dito naman, sa 2, 2 lang kasi 2 beses na tayo nag-multiply ng centimeter. For number 3, the length of the rectangle is x squared plus 2x minus 3. And the width is 5x plus 4. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? For perimeter, ang formula nito, just like volume and area, it depends on the shape of the object. Number 3, nabanggit dito na rectangle. Kaya ang formula ng perimeter for rectangle ay 2 multiplied to the sum of length and width. Kailangan na nating mag-substitute. 2 is a constant, so kopyahin lang natin siya. And closed in a parenthesis yung length and width. Kaya naman, i-add natin yung x squared plus 2x minus 3, add natin siya sa 5x plus 4. Kapag na-add na natin ito, i-multiply natin siya by 2, iyon yung ating magiging sagot. Number 4, from the sum of 3x cubed plus 7x squared minus 5 and 2x squared plus 3x plus 8, take away 5x squared plus x minus 5. So, una natin gagawin ay mag-a-add muna tayo. Add natin itong dalawang polynomial na ito. After nating i-add, yung sum niyan or yung sagot natin dito, ibawas natin sa polynomial na ito. Then number 5, what should be added to 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 7 to have a sum of 4x cubed plus x squared plus 5? So for number 5, this is a tricky question kasi pinapakita rito yung salitang sum which refers to addition. Pero in reality, what we have to do is to subtract. Dahil para makuha natin kung anong polynomial yung kailangan nating i-add dito, kailangan muna natin silang i-subtract together. So ibawas natin sila, get their difference. Yung sagot dito, yung kanilang difference, once you add it to this polynomial, ang magiging sagot ay ito. And that's it for our video for today mga bata. Hangad ko na natutunan nyo kung paano nga bang sasagutan ang mga learning tasks sa Module 4, Quarter 2. Subscribe to my YouTube channel ang Teacher Mo sa Math for more Grade 7 Mathematics content. Also, like and share this video para mas marami pa akong mga batang Grade 7 na tulad mo ang maabot at maturuan dahil ako si Ma'am Regine, ang Teacher Mo sa Math.